Ready, racers! 3, 2, 1. Geo!
Look at them go! The red car is in the lead. But the other racers are catching up. They're crossing the bridge. What a big turn! Everyone is racing so fast. Here comes the jump. Up they go. And down they land. What a fun race! They're racing through the forest. The blue car is moving ahead. And look! A giant rainbow ramp is coming up. Here comes the rainbow ramp. Up they go. Wow! What a jump! And they're racing toward the next challenge. They're out of the speed tunnel. The race is getting closer. Welcome, racers! Are you ready for a brand new adventure? 3, 2, 1, Geo!
Through the palm tree tunnel they go. The racers are flying down the track. Whoa! A giant seashell tunnel. The racers are speeding through.
Look ahead, racers! The finish line is getting closer. This is it, the final sprint. Who will cross first? They did it! What an amazing finish! All 4 racers did a fantastic job. Great racing, everyone!